Hi traders, welcome to my Forex video tutorial. And in this tutorial today, right, we will be talking about the Forex scalping strategy that I'm using. Okay, and in this tutorial I'm going to share with you this strategy and how I do it in a step-by-step manner so that you guys could follow and make money from this strategy. Okay, so the first questions that you guys may be asking is, why scalping? Basically, scalping the Forex market is becoming more and more popular among new traders because it allows you to have quick profits. Okay, as you usually enter and exit your position within 20 minutes. Some trades can be shorter than 20 minutes. I've traded which is 5 minutes. I enter and exit them. Okay, and the good thing about this scalping is that it allows you to have numerous trades per day. Okay, so in order to execute this scalping strategy, it requires the help of 3 indicators. Okay, first you need the Fibonacci indicators, you need pivot point indicators, as well as the slow stochastic indicators with a setting of 533. Okay, so let's go through the steps to getting this done. Okay, step 1 is to mark out the important support and resistance level. Okay, if you take a look at your Forex chart, right, you'll never find the price moving straight in a straight line. It usually moves in waves. Can you see that? The price usually moves in waves. And if you really take a look, right, why the price moves in waves is because it's actually being repelled by support and resistance level. Okay, so basically there's 2 very good indicators for basically to identify support and resistance, which is the Fibonacci. Okay, all you need is to plot the 0.618, 0.5 and 0.382 level, as these are very strong support and resistance level. As for pivot points, you just have to plot the daily pivots on your chart. Okay, and you have this level identified for you, and these are actually very strong support and resistance level. Okay, so if let's take a look at this image below. Can you see here? This is basically the high point, is the low point, and I draw a fib from this point to this point. Can you see the price as it retraces, right? It get bounced by the Fibonacci level, which is a blue color line. You can see that it get bounced by it, it get bounced by it, it get bounced up by it. And this big movement here happens because the price get bounced by the 0.382 level. Can you see that? It bounced up. And as a trader, this is where we are going to enter a trade. Okay, as a scalper, this is where we enter a trade, going to enter a trade. Okay, so this Fibonacci and pivot point indicator are very important indicator to identify strong support and resistance. Okay, once we have the step 1 done, we'll move to step 2, which is using the oscillating indicators like the stochastic, like I said just now, to help us time our entry. Okay, so for example, if you're looking to sell, to enter a short trade, you should try your best to wait for an oscillating indicator to go overboard and start to curve down. You can see here, this is the 80 level, this is the 20 level. When the stochastic indicator, right, goes above the 80, it's a sign that people are buying until the market is now currently overbought, and it's very likely to move down. Okay, if it's below the 20 level, it's telling us people are selling until the price market is currently very oversold, and it's very likely to move up. So for example, if you're looking to sell and the short trade, you will always wait for the oscillating indicator to show you that people has been buying and is now overbought, and this is where you are going to enter a short position or you're going to sell. Okay, so if you're looking for a buy trade, which is a long position, you will wait for the oscillating indicator to go oversold, which means that people have been selling until the market is now oversold and is likely to move up, and this is where you enter a buy trade, a long trade. Okay, so other than using this stochastic indicator to time your entry, we also use it to time our exit. Okay, so in step 3, we also, besides timing the entry, we also use the stochastic indicator to time our exits. So for example, if you go short, okay, you decide to go short, and which means that you're selling. Now you should be looking to exit your position when oscillator reaches the oversold zone. That means people are selling all the way and now oversold. It's very likely to bounce out, and this is where you exit your position. If you enter a long trade, which means that you buy, you'll be waiting to exit a position when people are buying until the point is now currently overbought, because the price is very likely to move down. Okay, so now we have the entry done, exit done, and the last step is we wait for a confluence of events. Okay, what do I mean by confluence of events? We are waiting for indicators, right, and support to be aligned, and this kind of trade gives us a higher probability of winning. So let's take a look at this example below. Can you see that this blue color line here is the resistance? Can you see the past resistance, and now has turned into support. Can you see that it turns into support as the price break above it? It now turns into support as it comes down. You see, as it comes down, it hit the support, and at the same time, the stochastic indicator show that it's oversold, and this is where you enter a long trade. You buy, and this is the profit that you're making. Can you see that? Okay, so at the same time, take a look at this example below. Can you see this black color line here is actually a resistance level? Can you see when the price moved up, it hit the resistance, and the stochastic show that it's now overbought. The market is overbought, and this is where you enter a short trade, and this is the profit you're making. Okay, so basically this is exactly the scalping strategy that I'm using to trade, and I hope that you guys find it useful for you, and you can try it out on demo account, and if it works for you, you could actually trade live with it. Okay, for more indicator, right? So for more trading indicators and trading strategies, right, you could actually visit my blog at forexindicator.org. Okay, and here basically this blog, right, I've been writing for since 2009, and you could actually read about the forex indicator that I'm using and how I use them, okay, as well as the forex strategy that I'm using, okay, so that you can try it out on your own. Okay, most importantly, it comes with Forex FAQ, where the subscriber of my free newsletter could ask me questions and answer them twice a week. Okay, you could simply just sign up for my free newsletter here and get to download the first chapter of my Forex trendline strategy, and at the same time you'll get 5 tutorials from me. Okay, so basically currently there's about 6,029 subscribers to my newsletter. So upon subscribing, you could actually ask me questions, and I try my best to answer them to the best of my knowledge. Okay, so I hope that you guys enjoy this video tutorial and find it useful for you, and for more video tutorials, I'll talk to you soon.